Brilliant, absolutely happy, chirpy. Yeah, no, it was good. It's a bit weird. First time I've been on a start line on a BSB championship. We worked it out for 10 years, so yeah, it's been a while. I've been away doing other things, but I miss our tracks. I miss our friends, and it's like a bit of a big family, really. So yeah, we went out on the bike on Friday. We were in the ballpark straight away. First race on my belt, P5. That's sort of where I expected to be, really. So bike was good. Everything worked good. We had we've had a giggle as well between us, and a few beers and a barbecue going after qualifying. So. But it wasn't me, honestly. Yeah, so no, I mean, all the boxes are ticked. It was just great to be back out there. Like I say, I've had a bit of a rough deal last few years, so to get back out on track and be competitive was awesome. I've been disappointed if I don't get on the podium by the end of the year. We've got a few more bites of the cherry, and I've been at home. I've been studying the result sheets, studying the sectors, speed traps. I'm like, need to just sharpen my pencil up in a few little places. But it was a little bit frustrating, I have to say. There was like sort of 4 or 5 that were just a little bit in front of me, and then there was me in no man's land, and I was faster than the other guys, so I was like, Ugh. So I just need to bridge that gap and just mix it. I just want to mix it with the front guys, and so yeah, we've got what's next round? Snetterton. Well, again, Snetterton's a new track for me. I've never done that infieldy bit, that new bit. So yeah, it's all new territory for me. So, but no, onwards and upwards. Next round, bring it on. Do you know what I tried to do actually? I tried to do a bit of a wheelie, but I don't think that V2s have enough power. So I had a bit of a yank on the bars. It came up about this high, and then I was like, and then yeah, but I was just happy. Family was happy, sponsors were happy, I was happy. It was just yeah, that's what I go racing for. There's no pressure on me anymore. I'll just go and race the bikes, but I'll have to try and practice my wheelies for the line. If I get on the podium, I'll do a wheelie.